In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove members from a Facebook Messenger group chat. Now I have here this group chat and I'd like to go ahead and remove one member. To do so, it is pretty easy. Just tap on members here and this will highlight or list all the members that you have on this group. To remove a member, just identify the name of the member from the list and then tap on the name of the member. For instance, I want to remove this last name. Now from this, we have an option here to remove from group chat. So to remove the member, just go ahead and tap on this and they'll be removed immediately. Now you can see the group members are less by one. So that's how you remove a member from a Facebook Messenger group chat. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.